eBay affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about the eBay affiliate program. What is it and how it works? What are the commission rates and how can you get started as a beginner? So eBay affiliate marketing program is also known as eBay Partner Network. It is a program that allows individual or companies to promote eBay products and earn commission on resulting sales. Essentially, as an eBay affiliate, you are partnering with the eBay to help drive sales and revenue. Similar to other affiliate marketing program like Amazon Associate or Travel Payout, and eBay Partner Network offers a commission-based system for referrals. However, the eBay affiliate program is unique in its focus on the diverse range of products and categories offered on eBay. So if you're looking to earn extra income through affiliate marketing and have a website or platform to promote eBay, the eBay affiliate marketing program may be a great fit for you. So how you can join the eBay affiliate market program or eBay Partner Network? So for that, all you have to do is just visit the affiliate program market website for eBay and just join the eBay affiliate marketing program. Joining the eBay Partner Network is a fairly straightforward process. To start, all you have to do is just click on the Join Now button on the top. You have to register, just click on it. To become a member of the eBay Partner Network, you need to fill out a registration form that asks you for your personal information such as your name, email address, and your website URL. Additionally, you will need to provide your PayPal account details so that you can receive your commission payments. One important thing to note is that before you can join the eBay Partner Network, you need to have a website or blog that you can use to promote eBay product. Your website need to meet the program's requirement, which includes having original content and being free of illegal or offensive materials. Unlike the Amazon Associate program, there is no maximum traffic requirement to join the eBay Partnership Network, making it an attractive option for affiliate marketing beginners. Once you have signed up and being accepted into the program, you will have to access a range of tools and resources that you can use to promote eBay products or earn commissions. Overall, joining the eBay Partnership Network is relatively simple process, and with a bit of efforts and dedication, you can start earning money as well. So with that, let's quickly talk about the requirement for eBay Partner Network. To become an eBay affiliate and join the eBay Partner Network, you must meet certain criteria. The first and the most obvious requirement is that you must have a website or a blog that attracts a considerable amount of traffic. In addition to that, your website must meet certain quality standard to ensure that it is a legitimate and professional looking site. One important requirement is to keep in mind is that you must not have any other affiliate link from competing website on your site. For instance, if you're already an Amazon affiliate, you may not be able to promote eBay product on your site. So this is to prevent conflict of interest and ensure that your website promotes eBay in the best possible way. Another requirement to join the eBay network program is that you must have a PayPal account to receive your payment. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can easily sign up for one for free. Overall, the requirement to become an eBay affiliate are not too strict, and most websites that meet these criteria will get approved. However, it is important to note that being approved for the eBay Partner Network does not automatically guarantee success. You still need to put in the time and effort to promote eBay product effectively and attract visitors to your website. So once you have signed up for the eBay affiliate program, the next step is to start promoting eBay products on your website. So this can be done through various methods including banner ad, text link, and product review. One effective way to promote eBay on your website is by creating product review that features eBay products. These reviews should be honest and informative, highlighting the benefits of the product and any potential drawback. Another method is to use banner ad and text link to direct visitor to eBay listing. These can be placed throughout your website including in blog posts, sidebars, widgets, and product pages. It's also important to optimize your website for search engines using keywords that are relevant to the product you are promoting. This will help your website rank higher in search result and attract more visitors. So there must be a question in your head, how much money you can make with eBay Partner Network? The amount of the money you can make with the eBay Partner Network depend on the various factors such as the amount of traffic on your website that your website is generating, the commission rate from the eBay categories you promote, and the conversion rate of your audience. eBay commission rates range from 50 to 70% of the revenue they earn on a sale. However, it is important to note that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme like your business. It takes time and effort to see significant earnings. You need to build trust with your audience, create engaging content, and strategically promote eBay products. So this is basically eBay affiliate program is. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.